In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on symbol label on TradingView. If you've ever looked at a chart and wished the symbol's label or last value stood out more clearly on the axes, this quick walkthrough is for you. Symbol labels help you immediately identify what you're viewing and where the current value sits, without hunting around the chart. The right side of your chart is the price axis, and the bottom is the time axis. We'll use those to control how labels appear. Start by moving your cursor to the chart area and find the axis label you want to adjust. On the right, that's the price scale. Along the bottom, that's the time scale. Right-click directly on that axis label area. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and on some devices, a long press will bring up the context menu. The key is to make sure you're clicking on the axis itself, not the candles or indicators, so the correct menu appears. From the menu that pops up, select Labels. This opens the label options specific to the axis you clicked. It's a focused shortcut, so you don't have to dig through broad chart settings. If you click the price axis on the right, you'll be adjusting how labels appear for prices and symbols there. If you click the time axis on the bottom, you'll be adjusting what you see along the timeline area. Inside the Labels section, you can enable or disable the symbol labels that appear on your axis labels. Turning them on will display the symbol and its latest value right on the axis, making it easy to confirm you're analyzing the correct market and to see the most recent price at a glance. If your chart is crowded with multiple studies, toggling off extra labels can reduce visual clutter, while keeping the symbol label on ensures the most important information stays visible. Don't worry about breaking anything here. You can switch these on or off anytime, and the change applies immediately so you can see the effect right away. Once you've set the label visibility the way you like, you're done. There you go, that's all it takes. A simple right-click on the axis, choose Labels, and enable or disable the symbol labels to match your workflow. Quick tip: if you work across multiple charts or layouts, repeat the same action on each axis you care about to keep things consistent. Thanks for watching. If this helped you clean up your charts or make key details more visible, you're all set to move on and keep analyzing with confidence.